If you need to join your paths in Illustrator, let's quickly find out how to do this in this super simple tutorial. So I've got my outline here, got my stroke, and this is a very common thing you'll see in Illustrator sometimes. If the path isn't closed up, I'm going to use my direct selection. You can see here, this isn't closed up, and we've got this kind of disconnected path here. So to address that, very simple, we just highlight the 2 points here, and we either press Command J or we go to Object, Path, Join, and then that then joins those paths together. Now, if we zoom in, Command plus, you can see we don't quite have that kind of perfect point that we're looking for. So to get rid of this, very simple then, we can just go to the Delete Anchor Point option from the pen tool icon, and then simply then highlight the one we want to delete, press that, and then that removes that as such. And then if we come back to here then, we've got a completed path that we can now do all the things that Illustrator wants us to do with it. So there you go. So simple to close paths in Illustrator. If you've got open paths, just simply use Command J or Object Path Join, and you will close up those shapes and you can kind of continue designing. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope that was really simple for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and let me know in the comments of any problems you're having with Illustrator, any other Adobe software, or any future tutorials you'd like to see. So until next time, keep on designing, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.